Today guys, here we have got the Captivators batch और हम आज ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं डिबेट। इस डिबेट के अंदर गाइस ये एक नॉर्मल डिबेट नहीं है। इस डिबेट में हमारे पास है बहुत सारे स्पीकर्स एंड who guys are going to speak in English language और टॉपिक होगा कि according to you which is the best state of India। So we guys have got number of people right now जो ये प्रूव करने वाले हैं कि कौन सा स्टेट इंडिया का बेस्ट स्टेट है। देखिए गाइस, ये सेशन आपको मदद करने वाला है आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन को इंप्रूव करने के लिए, आपको ज्यादा प्रेजेंटेबल बनाने के लिए एंड थ्रू दिस एक्टिविटी ओनली गाइस यू विल बी एबल टू ग्रैब योर चांसेस, जो कि आपको मदद करेगा कि आपको इनिशिएट कैसे करना है और अपने चांसेस को कैसे ग्रैब करना है। सो गाइस वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस सेशन। द टॉपिक इज अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हिच इज द बेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। क्लैप फॉर दीस स्टूडेंट्स गाइस।
The best state according to me. Hello guys, my name is Dhruv and today I'm going to represent which state is best in India according to me. So first of all, we need to understand what is the definition of best. To know this, we need to understand that only best state does not represent one or two kind of the categories. There are numerous categories on which a state should stand and then we will decide that which state is the best. The first category I am introducing here, which is economic performance, which includes the total GDP of the state, per capita GDP of the state, inflation and the foreign direct investment. The second category is fiscal performance, which includes the debt, education, health. The third, which is the financial inclusion, which includes the how easily available these financial services like the bank branches, loan, health insurance, life insurance and etc. Social performance, infrastructure, governance. There are 5 basic categories, and on which the 2023 in the year of 2023 the Indian government has passed a data in which Goa, in which the Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka was the 3 top states. But do you really think that these only are the basic parameters on which a state should be declared that it is best or not? Of course not. Today is the world of the sustainable development. So hereby I am representing another pathway which is inaugurated in 2015 by the United States, and along with that India also has inaugurated our Niti Aayog, and according to this data we need to understand that the real meaning of the development, which is the fulfillment of the need of today's generation without harming the need of our next generation.
I want to mention one important thing that you guys are supposed to maintain the eye contact with the student so that you would be able to sound effective, right? So maintain the eye contact.
The state which is known as the richest state in India, which is known as the rich cultural heritage for its IT industries and called as the home of top educational institute, and its capital was famous for it's known as the financial capital of that state, and that the name of the state is Maharashtra. Hi everyone, Pari this side from the Captivators, and I believe that the Maharashtra is the best state in all over the India.
We are here to proudly say that Bihar is the best state of India.
A land which is known by heritage, educational purpose, which is known by educational potential. The Bihar has huge potential in terms of economical, in terms of educational, in terms of agriculture, in terms of heritage site, in terms of history. So Bihar, we know that Bihar is a huge power in future because Bihar have the IIT Patna. Because we all know that most of the IIS coming from only for Bihar, and we also known that when we need any kind of state, like we talk about Maharashtra, we talk about Delhi, we talk about Gujarat, everyone need a cheap labor, which is coming from only for Bihar. We all know that Bihar people can survive anywhere. We know that if we go in Ladakh, we can easily see the Bihar people. In Delhi, they are bunch of Bihari people, because we all know that entire state cannot work without Bihari people. Thank you so much, guys.
Everyone is sharing about their state. So why to forget a state named Punjab? Everyone is thinking that their state is the better state. But my state Punjab is the better than others. Punjab stands out in several ways that make it unique and better in certain aspects compared to the other region. Through better is subjective and depend on the specific order. That's why Punjab is the best state of our country according to me. capital is Chandigarh, which also a great capital and performing good aspects like security and all.
Heart of India. Today I am here. My name is Ankush, and I am here to just promote the Madhya Pradesh because it is also known as the heart of India. In this also there is a one name, the diamond. You can say diamond state because in Madhya Pradesh only it is the only state which produces a diamond, which is in 84,000 carat per year. And not only this, if you are a religion person, so you will also like this state because you might have heard the name Mahakaleshwar. It is in Ujjain and it is very beautiful and one of the oldest temple in India. Also, we have cleanest city of the India, Indore. Indore is very famous for its cleanness, and that's I am presenting Madhya Pradesh.
The state where we all say that it is a 28 continents. Everyone is presenting their state, but how we can forget Goa is one of them. And compared to earlier, the system of Goa is changing drastically, where their health sector is developing, tourist sector also developing. Especially Goa is popular with the tourist sector, where they can come up very easily. Their capital is Panjili. You can see the people are generally come to visit here. So I would say Goa is the best state to live.
But here I just want to target Mizoram, as you just state that your state having employment, right? Your people are rich in numerous of things. So I just want to counter you that you are the one who have the lowest rate of unemployment.
To declare a smart state of India or the best state of India, we first need to know that how any state can be declared as a best state. So there are some of the point or the term and condition we can say that how we can discuss or we can declare the best state of India. First thing we need to know that its culture. Is any state having a culture which the background or the history is good or not? Second, where can be the education, their education. Any country having the good education system or not, and third would be the healthcare sector and the politics. How in that state, how the politics is happening, how they are going to do, and what's the things, what the circumstances which they are following, is it good or not? Then that's how the state can be called as a developed state or the best state.
So Maharashtra, as you mentioned, that Mizoram has the least employment rate, right? But do you know what? Mizoram people do not need any kind of the employment because they do their own work, because 90% of the Mizoram population depends on agriculture, and even after that, having 93.33% of the education rate, which means standing at the second position amongst all the states having the highest literacy rate. The third thing here I want to mention about the Maharashtra, as you said that Mumbai is the heart of Maharashtra and having the highest GDP and all. So despite Mumbai, there is no any other district or any region which plays a crucial role in the contribution of GDP of the Maharashtra, right? Also, I just want to mention here that among these 94 populated cities in India, 17 only stand by Maharashtra only. So before just throwing mud over anyone else, see it to yourselves.
Okay, so I guess that you didn't come up with the proper information about Maharashtra, so sorry for that, and even not about the Mizoram. As you just talked about the Mizoram, right? That it's rich in numerous of things, and actually they are just going with the 90% of agriculture, something like that. But I just want to tell you that they are the one who migrated a lot, just in search of better opportunities, and mostly they are just coming, or their first priority is just Delhi, and the second is Maharashtra only. Now the second thing, as you talked about, there is only like Mumbai is the only city to talk about, or it's get more popular. But I just want to add or grab your interest or attraction towards the Pune as well, that it's a hub of industries. Thank you.
Okay guys, so I have seen the three teams who are just countering. So debate is of sharing the points. So we Punjab are going to share the points regarding the Punjab, and it is the Indian Punjab.
Okay. So I want to present some points of Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh, and the beautiful as we go to Chandigarh, we are seeing the beautiful city of India. It is written here, and it is correct only. The beautiful and the cleanest city of India is, or capital is Chandigarh, and it is well mannered and well security maintained there. About the language is spoken in Punjab is Punjabi, and the GDP growth rate. In the data of 2022 and 2023, the most GDP is contributed by the Punjab. It is 6.3 crores from Punjab, and about the tourism, the places, there are numerous of places that can be visited by the tourists, and that is attracted foreign tourism to our India for increasing the GDP.
As my neighbor promoting the Maharashtra. But do you know about some of the facts regarding Maharashtra? In India, there is a 46 winery manufacture company, and 43 is in only Maharashtra. That is not a good thing for us, because we are promoting this kind of thing. But in Madhya Pradesh, we are promoting not, except of this thing, we are promoting like chai and coffee even. Because if you have heard the name Anubhav Dubey, the founder of Chai Sutta Bar, other name Praful Vilore, the founder of MBA Chaiwala. These two brands are globally very much famous, and because of this brand only, the India is getting profit also. In Mumbai, there is a lot of billionaire, but also in Maharashtra, what you will do if you are billionaire but you don't have currency? In Maharashtra, we print the 500 notes. We print the 100 rupees note. So this is the main thing about the Maharashtra.
Okay, I respect the point of Pari. She said about museum is the best top by. Okay, I respect the point of Pari. She said the museum is the top migratory state, but she is wrong, because Bihar is the top migratory state. The Bihari people are always everywhere in big amount, like you can say in Delhi, Maharashtra, Kolkata, Punjab, Chennai, everywhere you can easily say. So Bihar is the top migratory people, because Bihar has the huge human resources. Second, if I talk about the history, Dubai said about the rich history, but the greatest history of Bihar, because I am talking about Bihar give the Mauryas, Bihar give the Chanakyas, Bihar give the Guptas, and Bihar also give the greatest emperor of the India is Ashoka, we know that. And the Bihar also give the oldest university is Nalanda University, which is the base of Indian education system.
Okay guys, we are going to wrap up this session, but before this, I would love to mention few things about India. We guys are living in a country which we have got the biggest written constitution in the world, and this is a proud moment for each one of us that India is one of the growing nation in the world too. India is a self-reliant country, and India is becoming a superpower within few decades. For sure, living in India, a country like it is a proud moment for each one of us. So forget about the negative points about each state, because each state has got some positivity. Each state has got its own speciality, whether it is about Punjab, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and many other states. So guys, now comment below according to you which is the best state of India. Thank you so much.